Hey guys, how you doing? So today we're going to learn how to use the Kucoin API machine app. So we've designed this app and it works as a widget. And it has multiple abilities. So we want to see how much a Bitcoin is. We click on this refresh button on the top right here. Now, if you want to change to your desired currency, you can just click on this menu button here. You can see current currency. We now have 5 currency pairs. So we want to see Cardano, refresh, Ethereum, refresh again. We have Polkadot, and Kucoin itself. Now, for example, you want to save this time and this currency for yourself. You just have to click on the save button right here on your desktop and save the price and time. Yes. And let's see it. Here. And you can watch the whale's motion in this section. And it changes, this whale motion changes each time you click on this refresh button. Okay, so let me show you guys. For example, Polkadot. Refresh. Okay, right here, by clicking on this section, you can see 3 blank spaces. You have to enter your API key, your API secret, and your API passphrase to connect to your Kucoin wallet. So I'm going to add mine. I'm going to enter mine. This was the price and time. So I'm going to copy and paste my API key. Copy and paste my API secret, and the last one, copy and pasting my API passphrase. So it's pretty normal to take some time because this right here is updating your trading wallet and your spot orders. Now you can see here my open spot orders and my trading wallet. Let's see it in Kucoin website. So here, let's close this. Okay, my Polkadot, USDT, and yes. So you can also add some orders with this widget. Let's go to this spot trading. So here you can see the same orders as I have here on my open spot orders. Now, for example, I want to buy some Cardano. Let's see how much it is. Refresh, and okay, 0.45. I want to buy 1 unit, lower 0.33, and I want to submit my order. Buy. So here you can see my order is added. a buy, and here. Now, if I don't want them, I just can click on the cross button, and I'm gonna click on this cross button too. And as you can see, I canceled 2 of my orders. And for example, I want to sell some polka dot. 1 unit. Let's see how much a polka dot is. Refresh. So it's 7.16, and I want to sell mine higher than that, 10. I'm ordering sell here. 1 unit, polka dot. And now I don't want it, so I just cancel it. Now you can also order on live market. You just have to click on this button here, market, and well, I want to buy some Cardano on live market, so buy. Here, as you can see, I bought 1. Now, if I don't want it, I want to sell these 2 units. So I just 2 and sell it. As you can see, I sold my 2 Cardanos. Thank you guys so much for your time. If you want to donate, you can donate here, right here, some Tether. And if you, for more information, you can just click here on our programmer's LinkedIn webpage and see what's new. Thank you guys. Bye.